Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's dive into today's market story. The big headlines. Tensions between India and the US, particularly over oil purchases from Russia, are causing jitters in Indian markets, while a US-China trade truce extension is fueling optimism in the IT sector. The overall mood? Cautious optimism, as investors tread carefully amid geopolitical uncertainties and await crucial economic data. Indian markets are surging today, with the Sensex and Nifty up by 0.43%, primarily due to gains in IT stocks. This surge stems from the extended US-China trade truce easing worries about a slowdown in the US economy. However, this optimism is tempered by concerns over upcoming talks between the US and Russian presidents and fresh tariffs on India's Russian oil purchases. The Indian rupee remains steady at 87.6500 against the US dollar, waiting for the same US inflation data to signal possible Federal Reserve rate cuts. Meanwhile, government bonds are treading cautiously, as traders wait for both domestic and US inflation data to guide the domestic rate easing cycle. In terms of individual stocks, we saw significant losses for Astral and Bata India, while Tata Teleservices gained 3% following a cybersecurity tie-up with McAfee. Looking ahead, investors are eagerly awaiting US CPI data later today, which could influence the Federal Reserve's rate cut path. Lower US rates can boost the appeal of emerging market equities like India's as yields on US treasuries fall. However, market optimism is limited due to upcoming talks and fresh tariffs. In essence, the markets remain cautious amidst geopolitical uncertainties and await key economic data. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor these developments.